Hello, my name is James Clark, and this is my website, Humans of Dance, a site to find your inner prance. Overall, it's just a website to inspire you to become a better dancer, or at least, start pursuing dance. Maybe use it as a hobby. But if you kind of like just go through the homepage, I'll just show you around. So this is like my favorite part of it. You got this really nice design right here, and I love how this header goes in and out. I have this combo machine where it gives you dance moves. I have a page of people that inspired me to become a better dancer. I have my about page with like some websites I've done and like a little bit about myself. I have a page about shoes and like where to buy them. I have a page of videos in case you want to see like an example of like dancers. And then I have a genre page to go over the different types of styles of dances. And so that's most of the pages so far. So the purpose of it, I just learned about this, but I'd probably just say when I was a kid, I hated dancing because I thought it was silly and childish. And when you go into like a room full of people, it just feels really crowded and gives you social anxiety. And so with this design, I decided to make it look more clean cut, more professional, just to give dance that reputation, because especially with ballroom, I feel like dance definitely does have like a professional reputation instead of just a really silly and childish one, even though kids take it, but it's for all ages in general. So that's the purpose. I'm going over the design. I love the lines right here. I say there's good spacing and proximity with the text and the images, but my favorite part is that the centering right here is good, especially with these two. So I enjoyed that. Another design thing I really enjoyed is that I just love how like these introductions just sit right here on the rectangle. So it's not it's not out of place or anything. So I just love the proximity and the alignment and the colors. I was going for more of this color theme right here. So it was alright. I would have used less red, but I decided to mix it in with black. So one thing I learned, I don't know, I learned that I need to focus more on like centering the footer. That's my hardest part. And just trying to like do better with the images and just trying to find ones that are at least smaller. The thing that disappointed me about these is that these were actually GIFs, so you can actually see them in motion, but those are really huge files, so I had to like go in Photoshop, just select a layer and just like kept it right there. So good. That's my webpage. I hope you liked it so far. Have a good day. Merry Christmas.